My flavor of HR is about getting into the business and working closely with the business and really creating a commercial impact and a positive impact where we possibly can.
Being people proud for me really means celebrating the great stuff that our people do for our customers day to day.
Hi, I'm Natalie and I'm here today in the heart of the City of London to speak to Saqi Sheikh, the CPO at EcoOnline.
Hi, my name is Saqi Sheikh and I work at EcoOnline as the Chief HR Officer. So our mission here at EcoOnline is to help create software solutions that help our customers protect people and the planet. So when I joined the company about a year and a half ago, the CEO said to me, my interview process, this is an organization that has come together as a result of 14 acquisitions. So there's some work to do, and there's some work to do to sort of integrate and really create a one eco culture. So we've been working hard to really try and create a space where we have a workforce that can help us deliver on our mission, but where we've also got opportunities for people to develop their careers and develop their learning and really provide stretch opportunities for them to grow and develop and learn and enjoy the work that they're doing as well. For me, when I joined EcoOnline, I did not want to be a HR function that just sat in the corner and sort of did their own things. We work with the business. I work very closely with the CEO. I work very closely with the execs, and so does my team. It's really important for me that we create an environment and a culture where people can really thrive.
So you've had a chance to work with lots of other HR systems, many of which came through some of the acquisitions, but you landed on Bob. Tell us why that was.
Bob is just so easy to use. It's just so simple and fuss-free for us. I've actually used HiBob in a previous organisation as well. And when I joined EcoOnline, Tom, our CEO, said to me, yeah, they have a system called Bob or something like that, and I don't know what you'll think of it, but you can change it if you want to. And I said, leave it alone, don't change it. I'm coming and we'll use it, and you'll see lots of value from it.
One of the things we really enjoy about working with HiBob is that they're forward-thinking, and AI is a big part of their roadmap, as it is ours. I would say in particular the performance focus and the ability to use AI to help our people set very clear goals is an absolute game changer for us.
We had a really interesting opportunity in 2023 to review our people applications architecture. So as part of that, we identified HiBob at the core of our architecture. I think the compensation module is one of the implementations that I'm most proud of as well.
The compensation module really helped us save a lot of time, confusion, less duplication, and just ease. Managers were just like, wow, is that it? Am I done? And the information was then ready for payroll in a very easy process.
So how has Bob helped you operate more as a strategic HR partner?
Bob is very visual, which means that when we look at the org charts, we can very clearly see how our structures look like today. And in the Sandbox, we're able to move those structures around. I think it's going to be the first time for us at EcoOnline to be able to see the finance and the HR bit come together in terms of, you know, the people budgeting and the planning for next year.
So Rachel, what's next for you now? What's exciting you?
I think last year we went through so much change and transformation. This year is all about how do we really support our people to grow their careers and really create a culture where people can thrive.
People proud. 3 words.
Intrinsic motivation, I know that's 2 words. Happiness, personal growth.
I love that. Nice.